Hey, my name is Carter, and this is CoinCarter, where I share everything I know about money. In this video, we'll talk about some of the best books on financial literacy that will empower you to manage your money. These books are essential reading for anyone starting out or trying to get their finances in order. These books provide useful guidance and tactics for achieving financial success, from budgeting to investing. Here are 5 books that can help improve your financial status and get money in your pockets. Book number 1. 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferris. The 4-Hour Workweek is a book written by Tim Ferris. It serves as a manual for achieving financial independence and lifestyle customization through reduced labor, automated income, and task outsourcing. 4 sections make up the book: the new rich, elimination, automation, and liberation. The idea of the new rich, a group of people who have attained financial independence and the capacity to live life on their own terms, is introduced by Ferris in the first section of the book. By working less, automating income, and outsourcing tasks, he contends, it is possible to live this way of life. In the second section of the book, Ferris describes how to cut out time-wasting activities and commitments so that you can devote your attention to what matters most. He offers methods and strategies for streamlining and condensing one's life, such as the Eisenhower Matrix and the 80-20 rule. He advises readers to concentrate on their areas of expertise and delegate or outsource tasks that don't call for their particular expertise. In the third part of the book, Ferris explains how to automate income through passive income streams and online business models. He gives examples of how to develop automated revenue streams, including affiliate marketing and online sales. He offers advice and methods for automating different aspects of a person's work or business. Ferris explains how to achieve liberation and live life on one's own terms in the fourth and final section of the book. He offers advice and methods for seeing the world, avoiding the deferment of life, and finding freedom and fulfillment. In conclusion, the 4-Hour Workweek is a manual for achieving financial independence and lifestyle customization through working less, automating income, and outsourcing tasks. 4 sections make up the book: the new rich, elimination, automation, and liberation. Ferris stresses the significance of streamlining and simplifying one's life, emphasizing one's strengths and delegating tasks, developing automated income streams, finding liberation, and leading a life of one's own choosing. To assist readers in achieving their objectives and leading the lives they desire, the book offers tools, techniques, examples, tips, and strategies. Book number 2. Millionaire Fast Lane, by M.J. DeMarco. Instead of taking the conventional slow lane of working a stable job, saving and investing for years, and then waiting to retire, it is a guide to reaching financial independence and accumulating wealth rapidly. The Fast Lane Attitude, Fast Lane Methods, and Fast Lane Toolbox are the 3 sections that make up the book. The key to reaching financial independence, according to DeMarco, is to use the fast lane and start a business or invest in assets that generate income. He makes this argument in the book's opening section. He emphasizes the significance of having a wide picture perspective and taking measured risks in order to succeed swiftly. DeMarco describes the wealth-building fast lane tactics in the second section of the book. He contends that companies with a distinctive value proposition, scalable business models, and positive cash flow are the most successful ones. He emphasizes the need of seeking a mentor and studying successful business people. In the third section of the book, DeMarco offers a fast lane toolbox that includes a list of assets that can generate revenue, instructions for writing a business plan, and a list of places to look for mentors and connect with other successful business people. Additionally, he offers helpful advice on how to raise your income, change your perspective, and develop a strategy for obtaining financial independence. In conclusion, the Millionaire Fast Lane is a manual for attaining financial freedom and fast accumulating riches. According to DeMarco, taking the fast lane by starting a business or investing in assets that generate income is the key to reaching financial independence. He claims that the conventional method of accumulating money is sluggish and unstable. He provides a fast lane toolkit that includes a list of income-producing assets, a guide to creating a business plan, and a list of resources for finding mentors and networking with successful entrepreneurs. He explains the fast lane strategies for building wealth, such as creating a unique value proposition, having a scalable business model, and generating cash flow. Book number 3, Richest Man in Babylon, by George Samuel Clason. This is a series of tales that take place in ancient Babylon and offer timeless advice on handling money and earning prosperity. The book is broken up into a number of short stories, each of which highlights a distinct financial success idea. The major protagonists in the novel are regular individuals who are trying to get ahead financially, including farmers, scribes, and merchants. The protagonists gain important knowledge about saving, investing, and living within their means via their encounters with a wealthy man known as the richest man in Babylon and their interactions with him. The significance of living within one's means is one of the book's main ideas. This implies that you should save the difference between your income and expenses. The value of investing in your education and self-improvement in order to raise your earning potential is a further principle. The value of investing in income-producing assets, such as real estate or a company, is also emphasized in the book as a way to create passive income. The value of financial planning and budgeting is a further tenet of the book. The book offers advice on creating a budget, allocating every dollar earned to the right expenses, and setting aside some of it for the future. The necessity of patience and tenacity in obtaining financial success is also emphasized in the book. It implores the reader to refrain from making hasty or irrational financial decisions and to be consistent with their saving and investment practices. In conclusion, The Richest Man in Babylon is a compilation of parables that impart timeless knowledge about wealth accumulation and money management. The book uses the experiences of common people in ancient Babylon to highlight ideas like the value of living within one's means, investing in one's education and oneself, investing in assets that may generate income, budgeting, financial planning, tenacity, and patience. Instead of making hasty or irrational choices, it advises the reader to use a steady and long-term strategy to wealth accumulation. Book number 4, UNSHAKABLE by Tony Robbins and Peter Mallouk. The book offers advice on how to secure your financial future and covers a wide range of personal finance and investing related issues. The investor's thinking, investment strategy, and investor tools are the 3 sections of the book. Robbins highlights the significance of having the appropriate mentality when it comes to investing in the opening section of the book. He emphasizes the value of maintaining composure during market downturns, keeping a long-term view, and refraining from making emotional decisions. Additionally, he exhorts readers to create a clear financial strategy and to be aware of their goals and risk tolerance. Robbins gives a summary of several investing methods, such as diversification, rebalancing, and dollar cost averaging, in the second section of the book. Along with giving an introduction of several asset types including stocks, bonds, and real estate, he also discusses their advantages and disadvantages. Additionally, he emphasizes the value of engaging with a financial advisor and the advantages of having an expert lead you through your investing process. For readers to employ in their own investing journey, Robbins offers a toolset of materials and techniques in the 3rd section of the book. It also contains instructions on how to build a diversified portfolio as well as a review of various investing vehicles, such as mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, and index funds. Additionally, he offers guidance on how to deal with market volatility, including how to steer clear of frequent blunders and how to safeguard your portfolio during downturns. In conclusion, UNSHAKABLE is a book that offers a thorough roadmap for reaching financial stability and independence. The book covers a wide range of personal financial and investing related subjects, including investor mentality, investor strategy, and investor tools. Robbins stresses the significance of maintaining composure during market downturns, keeping a long-term view, and refraining from making emotional decisions. Diversification, rebalancing, and dollar cost averaging are just a few of the investment methods he covers in general. He also gives readers a toolkit of tools and techniques to employ on their own investing journey. He advises readers to create a detailed financial plan and consult with a financial counselor. Book number 5, 0 to 1, by Peter Thiel. 0 to 1 is a book written by Peter Thiel, co-founder of PayPal and early investor in companies such as Facebook and LinkedIn. The book serves as a how-to manual for developing a successful business, and Thiel contends that the secret to success is not to compete in a market that is already crowded, but rather to forge a new market and establish a monopoly. Thiel stresses the need of coming up with something really original and inventive as opposed to plagiarizing or trying to marginally improve upon already existing concepts. The book is structured into 3 sections: the future of technology and society, the significance of developing a monopoly, and the contrarian character of startups. Thiel contends that rather than competing in already existing markets, the most prosperous businesses are those who develop new ones and control them. He emphasizes the need of having a broad perspective and being ambitious to accomplish this. He also exhorts readers to concentrate on a certain market and develop a good or service that is 10 times better than alternatives. Thiel demonstrates how to establish a monopoly in the second section of the book. He claims that businesses with proprietary technology, network effects, and a strong brand are the most prosperous. Additionally, he discusses how to stay clear of the traditional problems of building a monopoly, such as governmental control and rivalry from other businesses. The book's third section discusses how technology and society will develop in the future. Thiel contends that technology has the potential to transform society and that looking ahead rather than backwards is the secret to success. Additionally, he exhorts readers to consider how technology may be utilized to address some of the world's most pressing issues, including poverty, sickness, and climate change. In conclusion, 0 to 1 provides a manual for founding a prosperous business. According to Thiel, the secret to success is to create a new market and establish a monopoly rather than compete in an existing crowded one. He stresses the significance of having an expansive mindset, being ambitious, concentrating on a certain market and producing a good or service that is 10x better than alternatives, and avoiding the typical traps of establishing a monopoly. Additionally, he exhorts readers to consider how technology may be utilized to address some of the major issues facing the planet. That was a lot! I'm going to go nap now. If you enjoyed my video, please like and subscribe and leave a comment about a book that helped you financially. And thanks for watching CoinCarter. It really means a lot to me. Bye! I hope to see you again.